In this video, I am going to explain about how to check the given year is leap year or not. So first of all, we need to understand what is the logic of leap year. See, the number which is divisible by 4. The number which is divisible by 4 is called leap year. It's nothing but 4 is a leap year, 8 is a leap year, 20 is a leap year, and so on. 96 is a leap year, but the point is 100 is not leap year. The number which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. It is divisible by 4, but it should not divisible by 100. It should not divisible by 100 because 100 is not leap year, 200 is not leap year, 300 is not leap year, but again 400 is leap year. 4 divisibles, all 4 divisibles are leap years, but 100 divisibles are not leap years. But in 100 divisibles, again 400 divisibles are leap years. 400 divisibles are leap years. So how can we do this? It's very simple. Whenever we are checking, if the number is divisible by 400, we can say that directly it's a leap year. It's a leap year. If the number is divisible by 400, directly we can say that it's a leap year. Or if the number is divisible by 4, if the number is divisible by 4, that should not be divisible by 100. So, and the number should not be divisible by 100, not equal to 0. If these two conditions satisfied, then only we can say that it's a leap year. Else, not a leap year. See, how can we say that? Suppose if you take the input is a 400 or is a 800. Yes, see, it is divisible by 400. For OR operator, no need to check the second condition. If first condition is valid, directly it will display it's a leap year. Suppose if I am taking 16. 16 is not divisible by 400. But 16 is divisible by 4. 16 is not divisible by 100. So this condition satisfied. It's a leap year. It's a leap year. But if you take 100, look at this. 100 is divisible by 400, false. Now checking the second condition. 100 is divisible by 4, true. But 100 is divisible by 100, not equal to 0, condition, false. So because of this, we can say that it's not a leap year. It's very simple. When it is 100 divisible, it should be 400 divisible only. 100, 200, 300, 500, 700, 600 are not divisibles, are not leap years. This is the simple way of checking the number is leap year or not. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.